Hey guys, so I want to show you how I scaled a brand new e-commerce store to $166,688 in 39 days flat. Now, a big part of scaling to these type of numbers was actually the product that we're selling. And I want to show you the exact product research method that I used to finding this particular product. Hopefully this can help you find your own product to sell in your store and make bank. Now, before we start the video, I just want to refresh this. And there you go. Now that you believe me, let's get into the video where I break down my 6 things that you must know before finding a product, and then we're going to go into my product research method, and I'm actually going to show you step by step of finding a winner product live, and then even give you the winner product at the end of this video. Now, the point of this video is not to just take the product and run it for yourself. I actually want to show you how to find qualified products for yourself. As you can see, one product scaled me from nothing to $166,000 in sales in the matter of less than 40 days. So it's not always about selling a million products online. Dialing down on one method, one product, and one ad platform is the way to go in 2023. Let's begin. So like I said, there's 6 important things that you must have in a product in order for it to work. If you don't have these 6 things, then your likeliness of it being a winner product goes down significantly. So I highly recommend you write these 6 things down and create a checklist for yourself when you are looking for a product on your own. If you don't want these 6 things, then just keep watching, skip to the end, and enjoy the actual method. But for those who actually want the actual method, then keep watching. Number 1, virality. Can you imagine Kim Kardashian or a huge influencer posting about it? Do people want to tell their friends when they get the product? Like, for example, I just got a new product, it puts it on my phone, and I just tap someone else's phone, and all of a sudden my contact information shows up. For me, I wanted to tell all my friends about it because I think it's pretty cool. So a product that when people get, they want to tell their friends about it is a huge plus. And number 3, do you have content on it? If you go to TikTok and type in the product that you want to sell, do you see at least 10 pieces of content on that product? If yes, you're good to go. If not, Number 2, audience size. I like to find products with big audience sizes, especially if it's a passionate audience, meaning they like to spend a lot of money in their particular group. Let me give you an example. Women versus men. Women spend a lot more money than men online. And that's why for me, I always like to look for products that women would buy over men. Of course, there are exceptions, but that's a huge plus. Number 3, and this is one of my most important ones, offer. Make it a deal that they can't resist. There's a few things when it comes to pricing your products that you have to remember. If you can sell a product for 3 to 5x of what you get the product for, then it's not a good product to sell. So if you get a product for $10 from AliExpress or wherever you use for your fulfillment, you want to be able to sell it for at least $30 to $50. Otherwise, for me, that's probably an X on my list. You also want to make sure you sell it no less than $20. Products that are less than $20 don't do as well for me because the margin is usually not there. The better the margins, the better. Now, there's 2 details on this particular slide that I want you to pay attention to. The first one is, do people buy multiple of your product? If people are just going to buy one of them, it's going to be hard to do it at scale. But if they can buy a few of them, maybe different colors, different sizes, or different variants, or even putting other products on your website that they can buy, that's a huge plus. And then of course, how expensive does your product look? We do not want to sell any gimmicky products that you can find at the 99-cent store. Number 4, brandable aspect. In 2023, dropshipping gimmicky products doesn't work. What you want to do is build a brand that you can look at and be proud of. Can you build a brand out of this product? Can you maybe even put your product logo on your product in the future? Now, this is probably one of the least important ones out of the 6, but it is something to think about. You don't want to just think short term, you want to think longer term with your dropshipping business. Number 5, is it easily found in stores? You do not want to compete with Amazon. We want to sell products that are not really so popular out there in the market. So the question that you have to ask yourself is, does this product scream, wow, this is amazing? If it doesn't really have that wow factor, then I'd usually cut it and not test that product. And of course, that leads me into saturation. You do not want to be selling something that everyone is selling. Try to be early on into the market. If you see 1, 2, 3 people that are selling the product, that's fine. But when people are trying to sell products that 20, 30, 50, 100 dropshippers are trying to sell all at the same time, you're going to be competing with a lot of people. And when I'm scaling my e-commerce businesses, many times I'm very early on to the market. Now let's move on to my product research method. Now, to find the product that we're currently scaling, we actually went ahead and used spy tools. Now, spy tools are amazing, and I'm not endorsed or partnered with any of these companies. However, it's a method that I use to find products that are already working out there in the market. Now, if you stay to the end of this video, then I'm going to show you a free method, but this one is paid, and these spy tools obviously cost money. But for me, I get to find products that are already doing out in the market, so it's pretty worth it. Remember, a lot of people are worried about spending money in the beginning with their dropshipping business on coaching, on learning, on just tools like this, but you have to remember, one product can literally 10x whatever you spent on the testing process. I remember I tested about 8 products to find my first winner. Now obviously I hit 1 to 2 out of every single product I test, which is pretty awesome because I got really good at doing product research, setting the products up correctly, and doing paid ads. So remember that it is a journey, but if you stick with it, you're just going to get really good at it, and then you're going to be able to crush it. But anyways, let's get into my product research method. All you got to do here is you got to scroll on PP ads, and all these products are currently doing well in the market. Let's take a look at the ceramic coating spray, which currently just started to sell 3 days, 9.1K impressions. Let's take a look. So as you can see, they're running 3 different ads, and I'm going to show you the exact ad that they're running so you can seal it for yourself.
Hack to remove all the scratches and make your car dust-free. Introducing our car spray, which uses a nanotechnology formula to repair all the scratches instantly. Add a coating to repel dirt and stains. Protect your car's paint, glass, and wheels. Make your car look shiny as new. Prevent damage to your car's paint. This car spray is the perfect tool to maintain your car without drilling a hole in your pocket.
So as you can see, this product, 6.5K impressions, 4 days, not too bad. It looks like they're getting some sort of traction to this product. It might be that they're trying to scale it. However, for me, I always look to see if there can be improvement on the particular store. So step 1 is to find a product that is doing somewhat okay or well in the market. Step 2 is to find something that they're doing not too well in and to improve on it. So for me, I look at their video ad and I look at their website. So as you can see, the video ad for me is a 5 out of 10. Not that great of a video ad at all. Let's go to their website. And their website is okay. As you can see, they're doing a bundle. Buy 2, get 1 free. Buy 3, get 2 free, which is pretty cool. I don't really see people buying too many of these bottles because most people just want it for their one car. It's possible they buy it for their friends or family, but overall, it does look like a dropshipping store. I would rate it a 6 out of 10. So this is a product that's starting to get traction, and here you go. You have a product that's starting to get traction, but has massive improvement that you can go in there and start selling for yourself. What you can then do is copy this particular title, go into product search, and then search it by keyword. And as you can see, there's tons of different people who are selling this product. Now there's one main seller that got 2.7 million impressions, and that's why this person probably started to sell it. This is how you can get hundreds of creatives for your product. I would then take the creatives that they're running, add a little spin and a touch to it, and run it for yourself. Now here's the free method that I promised I'd give you guys for product research. And this method works in 2023 and beyond. I'm telling you right now, re-engineering what's already working out there in the market and seeing what people are advertising is a huge hack to finding your next winner product. So as you can see, this is a page with 5 million followers. It's called The Note for Self, and they post memes and other content. Now obviously you can pay them, you can message them, pay them for a post on their page, and a lot of dropshippers actually do this. So as you can see in the link in bio, there's a little link over here. We can click it and we can see what other people are advertising at this very moment. And as you can see, this store is selling these lighters, which is a super, super cool niche. You can literally get an idea like this from all these meme pages who advertise other dropshippers, and then you can sell the products for yourself. This is actually how I found my first winner product. I was following all these different meme pages. I saw they posted a video of a certain product. It was a shoe spray so your shoes don't get dirty. And I was like, ooh, that's cool. Let me see if it's on AliExpress. I saw it was on AliExpress. I created my website, started to run ads, and it did very well for myself. I remember hitting my first 10K month from this method. Now, if you want to watch my full e-commerce training, go ahead and click the first link in the description. You can book a call with me right over here by pressing apply now. I'm currently bringing on a few more students so we can chat if we are the right fit to work together, and then we can begin. I've helped hundreds of people create their own online businesses and absolutely crush it with dropshipping. So you could be next. So click the link in the bio, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.